Hi guys, good morning. So I shot the video actually yesterday, but I forgot to shoot the intro and the extro. So just thought to like shoot the intro today, and yeah, so here I am. So basically yesterday I was just going out and I had to get ready. So I thought why not take you guys along, on my get ready with me. So it was for a day time. So yeah, it was a very simple, lot of skincare and very minimal makeup, I would say, just so that it looks presentable. In case you like such kind of videos where get ready with me or makeup related or skincare related, then please do watch this video till the end. I mean, if you like this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel, guys. So a lot of you guys watch my videos, but you guys don't subscribe, so please don't do that. And it really takes a lot of effort to produce one video. So please do consider that, and also to subscribe to my channel in case you are interested in such kind of videos and if you like my videos. And yeah, I mean, without making the intro too long, let's get into the video. Hi guys, so today is Sunday morning and it's kind of gloomy weather today. So yeah, I was going out and getting ready, so I thought why not take you guys along. So yeah, I mean, you can see that the hair is really greasy completely. So just wanted to like wash my hair before going out. So you can see this, काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्रीसी हो रखे हैं बाल. तो I just wanted to like do a shampoo. So I just thought why not show you guys which shampoo I'm using. So this is the Be Blunt shampoo that I'm going to use, and I've almost like finished half of this bottle. And yeah, I think in my previous video also I had spoken about it. It's one of the best shampoos that I have used. And yeah, I mean, it's a non-sponsored video, guys, completely, but still just wanted to show you. You guys can definitely try it out, and it's under the affordable range itself is what I would say. So I'll definitely let you know, guys, once I'm back. Hi guys, so I'm back from the shower and I have done my hair wash. So, and the skin is really dry. I haven't applied anything. So first what we'll do is we'll apply the toner. So this is from Pilgrim. This is the Squalene toner and mist with kiwi extract. Let's apply this. This is so refreshing. I really love this toner. And by the time it gets absorbed into the skin, let me apply the moisturizer. So this is by Bath and Body Works. This is a new variant. This is the Starlit Night. I really love the smell of this. Okay, so this will still take some time to get absorbed into the skin. Meanwhile, let me remove this towel from my hair. Okay, so I'm going to apply this serum from Biolarge. You can see how much I've used already. It's only this much is remaining. It's really nice. So I've been religiously using this serum and then applied at the ends of my hair so that it really helps in detangling. Okay guys, so I'll comb my hair at the end. I'll leave it for air drying. So you can see that it has got absorbed into my skin. Next, what I'll do is I'll apply this sheet mask from Zudio in the variant Rejuvenate. So like, I do not apply the sheet mask completely on the face because I feel that the product gets wasted a lot. So what I do is I just take a little bit on my palms and then just apply it on the face, especially on the areas where I get dry the most. Here I'm applying on the entire face, and after applying this we will leave it on for some time so that it gets absorbed into the skin completely. Next, what I'll be doing is very important step, which is sunscreen. Here I'm using the Wish Care sunscreen. This is an Invisible Gel Sunscreen. Again, I really love this. I'll take a little bit of this on the back of my hand like this, and then just apply it in the dotted motion over the face, and then just make sure that it gets absorbed into the skin completely. Leave it on for 2 minutes again. Of this, I'll just apply my moisturizer. This from Dot and Key. There's a small travel size mini bottle. I'll take this much and apply it on the skin. And again, just the products have got absorbed into the skin. Moving on to the makeup. So since this is a day makeup, I will not be using any kind of concealer or foundation, because already it's so gloomy, and yeah, I do not want it to look very cakey. So what I'll do is I'll just apply this loose powder from Maybelline. Taking this brush, it's a foundation brush, just dip it, tap off the excess, and yeah, I'll just apply it little by little, only on the zone where I get oily. Then just spread it, not taking more of the powder. Just move on to the eyebrows. So I already have a little bushy eyebrows, so I'm not going to fill it. And there's a spoolie at the end of this brush. I'll just brush them with the help of this so that they just stay in place. Apply the kajal. So this is by Zudio. Just apply on the lower. So since it's just a simple day out, so I am not going to apply any kind of a dramatic eye kajal or an eyeliner. Just simple one on the lower lash line. Onto the lipstick, I'm just going to use this lip liner. This is by Wet n Wild in the shade Chestnut. Just going to line my lips with the help of this. So I'm just seeing in the mirror behind and applying it. It's in beautiful brown. And finally, I'm just going to apply this lipstick from Lakme Forever Matte. This is in the shade Red Sangria. So this is completely over, guys. It's not going to be OTT. So what I'll do is I'll just dip it, remove the excess, though it's completely over almost. And I'm just going to apply it over the eyeliner. So this is how it looks. It's looking like a lip tint. It doesn't look like a heavy lipstick that's put on. And taking the same lipstick, I'll apply it on the cheeks and just blend it in so that it looks like a little hint of blush. Since it's a day get ready with me, I am avoiding the powder blush because it might make it look more cakey. Okay, so that is it. And finally, I'm just wearing my watch. I'll just set my hair and I'll be back, and then I'll reveal you the complete outfit.